Hey guys, it's Heidi. Welcome back. So Olaplex has finally launched their Olaplex 4 and 5, which are the shampoo and conditioner for the at-home treatment. So you guys can imagine how excited I was to learn this, and I really wanted to just go ahead and buy it ASAP so that I could review it. So for those of you who are new to my channel, I have been reviewing different Olaplex treatments for the past 7 months. So I'm going to be linking all those videos in the description box below in case you guys want to catch up with whatever's been going on here. But as you guys can see, my hair is doing pretty well. But today I'm having my highlights touched up on my roots, and you guys know what I love to do right after that happens. I do my Olaplex number 3 treatment. So that's what I'm going to be doing today with you guys, with the addition of these 2 new products that I'm also dying to try out. So I'm basically going to be sharing my first impressions on the entire at-home system. These 2 products are not available in Argentina yet. That means I really honestly went through a lot of hassle and a very expensive process to get a hold of these 2. I purchased these 2 products at the Olaplex official site, and I paid for each one of these $28. I then paid $20 for international shipping for it to come to my country, and then customs had me pay for a 50% imports fee in order to get a hold of these products. Plus, I had to stay in line for about 2 hours at customs, which is not exactly close to my home. And now I finally get to try these. So you can imagine that if these do not work, if these do not actually make a difference, I think I'm gonna be pissed. Hugely disappointed after all the work and money I have invested in these 2 products. Before we begin, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Maybe you're a little bit shy and have been watching for a while, or you're new around here. Either way, I would be so blessed to count with your support. Now, before we jump into the demo and everything else, I wanted to tell you guys that these bottles of the number 4 and number 5 shampoo and conditioner by Olaplex are definitely larger than the tiny Olaplex number 3 bottle that I always keep complaining about. I mean, we all love the product, but really, Olaplex, could you please release it in a more decent bottle? I mean, we get here like 100 milliliters or 3.3 fluid ounces of Olaplex number 3, but on these new products you're actually getting 250 milliliters, which is 8.5 fluid ounces on each bottle. So that's definitely a lot better for us girls that have a lot of hair, or that our hair is very long. Really, this bottle doesn't last a long time. I keep saying that and I will repeat it. Who knows? Somebody may hear us and we may have a larger Olaplex number 3 bottle coming up soon. These shampoo and conditioner are supposed to be used at any time, not only after highlighting your hair. I'm gonna do that today right after highlighting my hair, but that's not the only occasion. After what I've read on their official site, Olaplex wants these 2 to be kind of your everyday companions, or however frequently you wash your hair, you should do it with these. It's supposed to help you maintain the treatment that you're doing with number 3 longer. So today my hairstylist is coming over and I have my robe on, and she's going to highlight my hair. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna be able to film that because she's very private, but maybe I might convince her. We will see. But what I'm gonna do after that, I'm gonna rinse my highlights using Olaplex number 4. Then I'm going to apply my Olaplex number 3 treatment for 30 minutes. And after that, I'm gonna wash one more time with Olaplex number 4 shampoo, and then go in with the Olaplex number 5 bond maintenance conditioner. So that's the plan, so stick around. Are they worth the splurge? We will find out in today's video. Alright guys, so now I'm ready to go and wash my highlights, and for that I'm going to use the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. So so I just applied number 4, the shampoo, twice, and I did not apply any conditioner because now I'm going to be applying Olaplex number 3. So I'm going to detangle as always using my tangle teaser. Please excuse my makeup, it completely washed away when I was in the shower. I got a little bit carried away with the water. I just love water. Because I'm going to be applying Olaplex number 3 on my hair and leaving it on for 30 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm probably going to fast forward these because there's tons of other videos in which I've showed you how I apply Olaplex number 3. So I'm going to link those down below in case you guys want to go deeper into that. Alright, so I'm going to clip my hair up once again, and I'm going to leave the Olaplex number 3 on to do its magic for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to be right back. Alright, so 30 minutes have gone by. I had dinner and now I'm sipping some chamomile tea. I'm ready to rinse Olaplex number 3. Back into the shower, I'm going to rinse Olaplex number 3 using the Olaplex number 4 shampoo. And then I'm going to proceed to condition my hair using Olaplex number 5. This is the Bond Maintenance Conditioner and it's going to be my first time using it. I can't wait. It promises to restore, repair, and hydrate without adding excess weight and eliminate damage and frizz for strong, healthy looking, shiny hair. It also says that it is made without sulfates, parabens, or gluten, and that it is absolutely vegan and color safe. Honestly, it sounds like a dream to me. So I'm gonna jump right into the shower and apply the shampoo, condition, and I'm gonna be right back. All right, so I'm ready to blow dry my hair now, see the final result. Now, if you guys watched my frizz to sleek hair routine, you know by now that I go to a lot of trouble to get my hair looking, you know, very straight and half decent. I'm gonna be linking that video down below in case you're curious, but I do use a fair amount of heat and products in order to get my hair looking really sleek, straight. So I'm not saying I'm expecting that just from the conditioner, but I am expecting it to remove a frizz from my hair, which is one of the product claims. And I would be very, very pleased if the product actually did that. So just for the sake of this video, I'm not going to be using my Revlon all-in-one heat protector because that is also an anti-frizz product, and I'm not going to finish the hair with the Revlon Equate because that's another anti-frizz product. I really want to dry my hair and see what I get just by blow drying it with my Revlon one-step hair dryer. I do remember that back when I did my first impressions video of the Olaplex treatment, I think it is about 7 months ago, I actually was very surprised that the Olaplex number 3 did remove partially my frizz, so I have high hopes for the conditioner and hopefully it will boost and even improve on what the Olaplex number 3 already does. Alright, there you have it. This is the final result using Olaplex 3, 4, and 5. And I have to say, I believe this is a good result considering I did not use any additional products to control frizz. I also feel like the hair looks so shiny. What do you guys think? So far what I can tell you is that I do believe the Olaplex number 5, the conditioner, does make a difference as far as frizz control. As far as softness, it is soft, but I think I've had softer hair with other products, so on that I'm not 100% sold. And as far as being a good way to maintain your Olaplex treatment, your Olaplex number 3 or number 1 and 2, whatever you guys are doing, I'm gonna have to update you on that because it just wouldn't be fair to say yes or no with just one single use. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the shampoo and conditioner for a whole month. I'm going to be uploading an update on Olaplex 4 and 5, and hopefully I'll be able to answer whether it does prolong the Olaplex number 3 at home treatment or not. I don't know. We're going to find out then, so stay tuned for that. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my first impressions on the Olaplex 4 and 5 shampoo and conditioner. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for new videos that are coming up really soon. Thank you so much for watching. It really does mean the world to me to count with your support, and I will talk to you all again on my next one. Bye.